Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. When facing voltage regulation issues with your MacBook Pro, it's crucial to approach the problem methodically. Start by gathering the necessary tools: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a spudger. These tools will help you safely open your device and perform the required diagnostics. Begin by powering down your MacBook Pro completely. Before opening the device, ensure you're grounded to avoid static damage. Using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom casing of your MacBook. Keep these screws in a labeled container to avoid losing them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the bottom casing using the spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Now that you have access to the internal components, it's time to inspect the power delivery system. Look for any swollen capacitors or damaged circuitry, as these are common indicators of voltage regulation issues. If you notice any significant damage, it might be best to consult a professional. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can save you time and ensure that your MacBook gets the right attention. Next, check the connections on the logic board. Ensure all components are securely connected, as loose connections can also cause voltage regulation failures. If everything looks good, proceed to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. A clean device is essential for optimal performance. As you continue your inspection, pay close attention to the power adapter as well. Sometimes, voltage issues arise from a faulty power supply. If you don't have the tools needed for this inspection, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get assistance without any hassle. If you find that the components are functioning properly and the issue persists, it may be time to replace the voltage regulator. This is a delicate process that involves desoldering the old regulator and soldering a new one in its place. If you're not experienced with soldering, it's advisable to seek professional help. No calls, no travel, we can handle the repair with ease. Once you've addressed the issues, it's important to reassemble your MacBook Pro carefully. Place the bottom casing back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to prevent any future problems. Finally, before powering on your device, double-check all connections and components to confirm that everything is in order. If you're uncertain about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for guidance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. By following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and resolve voltage regulation issues in your MacBook Pro, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.